Nebo, Nebo, will you light the fire now? Don't worry. My dogs, they love the fire. They can't wait every night. So we light the fire. It's raining outside and they love to be next to the fire. It's sensitive dogs inside here. Outside there, all the other dogs, they are really strong and they have nice warm dog houses. Those ones here are dogs that are not accepted from the groups outside, or dogs with special needs, or old dogs. Every night they can't wait to be next to the fire. Okay, Bo. Ναι, αγόρι μου. I love you too. Just now we light the fire.